Welcome to the U1 Transparent Enclosure Assembly tutorial. Before we start, please note that this product does not include 3D printed parts. You'll need to print the enclosure yourself. Just scan the QR code in the bottom right corner of the video to go to Siren's official model page for download. Now, let's get started. Bottom frame. Insert the wooden dowels into the connectors, then attach the bottom frame. Top frame. In the same way, insert the wooden dowels at the connection points and attach the top frame. Front slope and bottom connecting frame. Using the same method, attach the front slope panel and the bottom connecting frame. Ramp. Finally, attach the ramp itself. The frame assembly is now complete. Next, we'll install the acrylic panels. Make sure you check the position first and adjust carefully. Once the tape sticks, it's very strong and difficult to remove. All done. Great job. The enclosure will help retain heat, reduce noise, protect against dust and water, and make your printing experience much better.